Good morning students. I'm Rajni Gehlot, PGT English from Bhaurav Devraj Saraswati Vidya Mandir. In the last video, I told you about the author and the theme of the chapter and the characters of this chapter. Now I am going to tell you summary of the chapter in brief. Okay. The name of the chapter is The Enemy, which has been taken from the book Vistas. Okay. So I am going to start the summary of this chapter. Sadao, a Japanese surgeon, and these are the main points of the chapter. Okay, gist of the enemy means main points of this chapter. Here as a brief summary of the chapter. Sadao, a Japanese surgeon, finds a wounded American soldier on the beach near his house. Sadao, who is a Japanese doctor, he found a wounded American on the doorstep of his house, and because his house was at the American coast, that's why the soldier was on the beach, which was near his house, and he is unable to throw him back, though he was his enemy, as he was a doctor and his first duty was to save a life. When he got an American, then he wanted to throw him into the sea, because he was an American and all the Americans were the enemy of the Japanese. So, and he was doctor, and but finally he decided to save the life of that American. Hana, his wife, though initially reluctant because it was dangerous for all, including the children, to keep the enemy in the house, joins her husband in operating and nursing the enemy soldier back to the health, even though the servants deserts the house. Hana, his wife, she also hates to the Americans, but as a humanism, and she saved the life of that American. She helped her husband to treated him. She served him dinner and lunch, etc., and she take care of him like a nurse, because all the servants resist to serve the Americans, and they also left the house of Dr. Sadao, but she did not care about it. She only take care of that person as a human being. Hana assists Dr. Sadao in operating the soldier in spite of her physical discomfort and agitation. Hana hesitated, and she also feel discomfort during the operation, but she helped her husband. Though it was wartime and all hands were needed at the front, the general did not send Sadao with the troops, as he is an expert surgeon and the general needed him, because this was the time of the war. That's why everybody needs the help. All hands were needed at the front, means सभी को help की आवश्यकता थी, and the army also needed the help of the doctors. But Dr. Sadao never sent, general, the old general of the army never sent Dr. Sadao with the troops, with the army. Why? There we came to know that he was a selfish person due to his requirement, because he needed a surgeon at the critical situation of him. That's why he never sent Dr. Sadao with the troops. कभी भी उसको डॉक्टर्स की जरूरत पड़ सकती थी, and he only believed on Dr. Sadao. That's why he never sent. उसको कभी भी आर्मी के साथ या ट्रूप्स के साथ नहीं भेजता था. Sadao tells him about the enemy soldier, but he does not take any action, as he is self-absorbed and forgets his promise that he would send his private assassins to kill the enemy and remove his body. Sadao was a patriotic also, patriotic also, as well as a doctor, as well as a human beings. He was also a patriot, true patriot, and he also he told all the truth about that American to the old general, that he gave a shelter to the American in his house, and he also told him that he operated him. And general was general was selfish, that's, and he did not want to give him punishment, so he gave him solution that he will send his assassins, means his killers, to kill that American and to remove his body, but he forget his promise. Taking advantage of the general's self-absorption, Sadao decides to save the soldier's life, and he and Dr. Sadao take the advantage of the selfishness of old general. So he decided to save the life of that American. After the soldier is out of the danger, Dr. Sadao helps him to escape from his house to safety. And then when he took the decision of to save the life of that American. Then the soldier is out. When he came to know, and he was confirmed that the soldier is safe physically, he was able to go anywhere. Then he saved his life, and when he was out of danger, he helps him to escape from his house to safety, of his safety. So this shows the humanism of Dr. Sadao as a doctor. So this was the gist of the anime. Thank you, students. Now we will continue the main summary in detail the next video.